Join SVM Homes and Gardens today as we tour Jake and Anna Flournoy's amazing garden in beautiful Midtown Columbus. Enjoy! Hidden behind serpentine brick walls and original wrought iron gates, Jack and Anna Flournoy's Midtown Columbus home, built in 1938, holds more than just history. It showcases one of the most enchanting private gardens in the city, a sanctuary where timeless Southern charm meets carefully curated beauty. The Flournoy's patio has become the family's favorite dining spot, a place to savor meals surrounded by blooms and birdsong before rounding out the evening with a lively game of badminton on the lawn. At the heart of the property lies the koi pond with a fountain, a tranquil centerpiece that reflects the surrounding crepe myrtles, stately boxwoods, and seasonal blooms. In May, the garden bursts to life with the intoxicating fragrance of gardenias. With its graceful balance of heritage and horticulture, the Flournoy Garden is more than a backyard. It is a celebration of life, season after season, a vibrant reminder that beauty thrives where history and love for nature take root. Jack and Anna's devotion to their home extends beyond its striking architecture. We are truly grateful to live in such a historic home and property and are doing our best to steward this beautiful home and garden as best as we can, they share. By June and July, towering limelight hydrangeas take their turn, filling the courtyard with lush, cloud-like blossoms. Come winter, it's the camellias that brighten the scene, proving that the Flournoy's landscape is a year-round spectacle. The garden is not only beautiful, but also practical. Alongside vibrant mixed beds of zinnias, lovingly tended by Shariah Davis, who helps keep the plantings fresh each season, the Flournoys enjoy their salsa garden in raised beds near the pool, brimming with fresh garden-to-table ingredients. Summer suppers often feature homegrown tomatoes, peppers, and herbs picked just steps from the kitchen. Local landscape designer Martin Jones has been instrumental in shaping this living masterpiece. He envisioned and planted the courtyard's hydrangeas, designed the raised beds and trellis, and added subtle uplighting that transforms the garden into a glowing retreat once the sun dips below the horizon. The soft light highlights the gazebo, koi pond, and lush greenery, setting the stage for evenings spent outdoors.